Two brothers who grew up in Rogersville are now battling on the front lines of the pandemic in New York City. And they both have a message for people back here in the Ozarks.
Move, everybody move.
It's a scene most of us will only see on TV. These are images that look like something out of a Hollywood medical horror show. For two brothers who grew up in Rogersville, this is a sample of real life.
It's been hectic, to say the least. Sometimes it felt like I was in a war zone almost.
Sawyer and Dylan Wyatt grew up on Forest Ridge Lane in Rogersville. Both brothers did the normal stuff here, like joining the Boy Scouts. It's something that prepared both for this moment in life.
Some ingenuity too, and also hard work and fulfilling your duty and helping other people. And I think those are all very essential things to have as a young man and as a healthcare provider.
We're known to have to sort of have skills MacGyvering things, thinking on our feet, and we have to find solutions and figure out what's going on with them. Those skills, the foundations of which I was able to get in the Boy Scouts.
Both are now working at New York Presbyterian in Brooklyn. Sawyer is a registered nurse in a cardiac unit. Dylan is in the final year of training as an ER doctor. The speed and intensity of the virus's attack has left an impression on both.
There were times where we had patients who came in talking, and by the end of a shift, within 10 to 12 hours, were no longer with us.
I have a lot of patients who've died alone, and you never forget them, and you never forget their faces.
The bright spot, the public support from jets overhead to neighbors on the ground.
You know, there's people who have pots and pans that come out on the street, and the fire department comes, and to have the New York City Fire Department, the heroes of 9/11, come cheer you on and tell you you're doing good work and to salute you, it's a real honor.
God, that's something special. It really is. Those sort of things, alongside the donations of food and coffee, everyone has come together in such an amazing way. And you know what, the support, it makes a massive difference to all of us.
And one more message from two people who've seen the worst of this virus. Don't let your guard down.
The degree and extent of the illness itself and the amount of people that are getting ill is unlike anything we've experienced, at least since the Spanish flu.
It's still very important to know that this virus is still out there, and no matter how young you are or how healthy you may be, it can still affect you.
Just look after each other and pray a whole lot.
Well, Dylan and his fiancee plan to get married in late August in St. Joseph, Missouri. Dylan says if they have to scale down the ceremonies, they will, but the wedding will not get canceled.